Alright, so we're setting up new brakes for the two-piston caliper swap on the 96 Firebird. These are brakes from a 98 to 02 Firebird. Had to get some new little rubber grommets here to go on the guide pins. So just the old ones have gotten really, a few of them are torn and just different, like that one. That one's not too bad. This one right here was a little bit torn there. So this is a new one. So it should be, should work out better. They were $14 from Advance. There's your the 184.74A. I think you could actually get them cheaper from wherever I got them now. Where was it? I think you can get them cheaper from you can get it cheaper from O'Reilly's. That's what I'm trying to say. So there's your guide pin. That'll slide in there. So we got that all nice and cleaned up. We'll put some silicone, 100% silicone on there for it to slip and slide right in here. We'll put this right on here. Silicone spray. So we'll spray some silicone on that. Go ahead and put it over the edge right here. There we go. And this will slide in, and we should be able to put the shoulder right on this edge right here. Move this a little closer. So we'll go ahead and the bolts will slide through on the elsewhere, but we'll put this here and go from there. Alright. So I like to use this 9% pure silicone grease. Seems to work well. Wipe this down again. Go ahead and get the other side ready. There's two of them here. Pop that off. This will help the brakes slide very easily. And a lot of times, if you take it to a shop or you go somewhere else, they just don't put the lube on here, and so then you can end up with a sticky caliper or long-term, even some brake failure potentially. So now we'll work this up here. See if we can get on the shoulder here. There we go. See, I'm just working it here onto that shoulder of the bolt. Definitely don't want to poke a whole new hole in it. There you go. So now it's nice and on there, and it'll slip and slide like it's supposed to. So that'll be good, and that's how the originals look there. Pretty sure that's the same. The base looks a little bit different, so I'm wondering if maybe these are just old and stretched out. That's what we're going to go with. We'll find out if there's something wrong with them actually. But I went to Advance, and that's what punched up, so I'm going to trust them that they gave me the right part. If not, we'll go back and have a little talk about it. Another one, slide it up and over the shoulder, and there you go. They'll slide right in there. So when you're putting them on, you got the square that you'll need to attach to. So you want to hold here and then put your new bolt in. We'll loop those up later. Here's another side. We'll do it again. Here we go. This 100% CRC heavy-duty silicone spray is great stuff. A lot of different uses for that. Alright, there we go. Another guide pin. Lube it up with the silicone. Good, pull this out here. There we go. And here's another one. Slide it up over the shoulder, gently. And there it is, up on the shoulder again. We'll line this up a little more. This one's a little stubborn. Yeah, it fits nice, it slides real easy, don't have to worry about tearing it, so that's pretty cool. Yep. Okay. So there we go. Alright, so there's that little detail that you won't want to forget.